Hi, I'm Genesis, and welcome to this walkthrough of the annual budget tracker. Before we begin, a few quick notes. Please don't request access to the file, just click File. Make a copy to use your own version. The sheet is automated, so please try not to change any formula cells or protected areas. It works on desktop, tablet, and mobile, so you can manage your finances anywhere. It does not matter if your annual tracker is displayed in another color variant than the one in this video, the functionalities are the same. This tool is designed to give you clear visibility and structure around your personal finances and long-term goals. I'll walk you through each section so you can set everything up with confidence. Start with the Instructions tab. Each part of the tracker is explained here, so if you're ever unsure where to enter something or how a tab works, this is your go-to. You don't have to remember everything. It's all documented. Next is the Setup tab. This is the foundation of your tracker. Start by choosing your currency from the drop-down to keep things consistent. Then set your start period, year, month, and weekday to align the tracker with your financial calendar. Add your account names, like bank accounts, credit cards, or wallets, and their current balances. You can also customize the progress bar color using hex color codes. Just enter the code, and the tool will update automatically. On the right, enter your categories. These are used throughout the tool for transactions and reports. I'll show you a few item examples to help you get started. You'll also add any existing debts. For fixed debts, like a car or bank loan, enter the amount, interest rate, repayment term, and due date. For revolving debts, like credit cards or student loans, you can adjust the minimum payment amount as needed over time. The Transactions tab is where you log all your financial activity: income, expenses, subscriptions, and more. For each entry, you'll pick a category and item, enter the date, amount, and account used, and optionally, add a short description. It's important to log everything here because this powers the rest of the tracker. Use the transaction highlighter to easily find entries. Just filter by category or keyword, and the matching rows will pop out. I'll now enter a few examples starting from January. In the Savings tab, you can track progress toward your financial goals. For each goal, enter the starting amount, goal amount, and the goal date. After, you can see how much progress you have made and how long you still have to go in terms of amounts and months. The tracker calculates your progress automatically and updates the visuals as you go. Just update your balance, and everything else adjusts for you. I will now fill out a few examples. The Subscriptions and Billings tab helps you stay on top of recurring charges. You can track over 35 subscriptions, like streaming services, insurance, or apps. For each one, set the status, billing cycle, due day during the month, and the monthly fee. At the top, you'll see a graph showing how much you spend per billing cycle and where your money is going. All entries are sorted and displayed on the left, and they also sync with the calendar view in the Homepage tab. The Fixed Debts tab manages debts with fixed rates, like bank or car loans. Fixed debts and loans entered in the Setup tab will show up here, where you can choose your repayment strategy. Your chosen strategy adjusts the repayment structure. You can choose the following strategies: Snowball, smallest balances first; Avalanche, highest interest first; Custom Order, based on your debt order in the Setup page; or Short-Term first, to free up cash. Each debt comes with an amortization table, showing interest, outstanding debt, and monthly payments. The payments that are displayed here are the amounts you will have to start paying each month. Once paid and put at the correct due date within the Transactions tab, the payment is marked off automatically within the amortization table. You can also put in extra payments per month. For example, if you add $100, the tool allocates it based on your strategy. Don't forget to log this extra payment in the Transactions tab to get the check mark. I will now show you how that's done. The Revolving Debts tab works almost the same as the Fixed Debts tab, except the short-term strategy isn't available here. Just follow the payment plan in the amortization table, log your payments in the Transactions tab, and stay consistent. The Net Worth tab gives you a full view of your finances. It tracks assets and liabilities, net worth growth, and key financial ratios. You'll see visual breakdowns. It allows you to spot trends over time and updates automatically based on your other entries. The homepage acts as your command center. It includes a calendar for upcoming subscriptions and debts payments per selected month, various logs of your monthly activity, and total and monthly account balances. On the left, the colored area shows the total balance for the selected account, not tied to a specific month. The table below, however, reflects income and expenses for the selected month. This view helps you understand what flows in and out and allows you to stay organized so you will never have to miss a payment. Down below, there is also a Transactions Finder. Simply enter the data that you're looking for, with what account the payment was made, and the tool will show you all relevant transactions automatically. The monthly dashboard shows a detailed breakdown of your finances for any selected month. You'll see total growth and outflow transactions, savings progress, top spending categories, and other useful insights. This allows you to spot patterns or unusual changes and act accordingly. It's a great way to see what is happening so you can make smarter financial decisions. Zooming out, the annual dashboard gives you the big picture. Here, you'll track net worth growth, savings over the year, category breakdowns, and month-by-month comparisons. It's ideal for setting long-term goals or doing your year-end review. And that's your complete walkthrough. Take some time to explore each tab and personalize the tool to fit your financial life. Thanks for watching. I hope this tracker brings you more clarity, structure, and peace of mind with your money. And if you ever need help, feel free to message me. I'm happy to support you.